Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. Today we have received a delivery from Amazon. Let's see what's inside. Oh, wow. It's a drain snake. It's too heavy. For 70 pounds. These are cutters. These are extra snake. And these are gloves. This is motor and this is CW, means clockwise. So the motor will move clockwise. This is up and this is CCW, counterclockwise. That means the motor will move opposite direction. The auger will get back to its position. This is called auger. This is 75 feet long. You can do this snake work yourself and can save hundreds of dollars. This is foot start, but you can use your hand too. There are pipelines underground, underneath of a house or a building. Wastewater moves throughout the building or the house. If some reason there is a clog in a deep pipe, wastewater cannot move, cannot go through the pipes, and it can cause flooding in your basement. Drain snake can prevent this flooding. We have different kinds of cutters here, like this. This machine is called drain auger, but its nickname is the snake because the shape of the auger is coiled. This auger is long enough that can go through zigzag pipelines and can break up any clog if there is. Now I'm going to show you how this machine works. You can also use your hands to make the snake work quicker. This is a spade cutter. You can use this cutter to remove mud to make a smooth wastewater flow. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.